Morning guys, today is very special. We are going to this hotel in the middle of the lake on a cliff. It's very breathtaking and it's one of the best places you can stay in Lake Atitlán. How many nights are we staying there?
We're staying 2 nights and the name of it is Hotel Casa del Mundo.
But first we gotta get there, which is gonna be a struggle. So we will show you. The only way getting to the hotel is by boat or lancha. So we gotta go to get on a boat and then go to the hotel. Like we need to carry all this luggage, so that's gonna be a struggle.
These streets are not really made for rolly luggage, so it's a little bumpy.
Who needs gym when you need to carry your luggage around, right?
It's a workout. We don't have a gym, but we have luggage. Are you okay?
And we made it to the docks. Now,
time to get on a lancha.
Yes.
So how much was it?
Same, 30 per person, so 60 quetzales to get there. They were telling me that they were not selling the round trip for some reason, but apparently we can figure it out over there, so pretty sure we can. So now we gotta carry the luggage to the boat.
We have arrived, now going up a lot of stairs.
Just made it to the hotel and we left the luggage at the front desk.
They carried it all the way up the stairs.
I'm tired.
It's a lot of stairs.
I was very tired, but they told us to come back around 1 p.m. to get our room, which we're gonna get the room that we were expecting to, so we're excited about it. Now we just need to chill and roam around.
You have views for days in this hotel. Every corner is like a new view. So we booked a room, we booked the suite because it was the only one available at the time, and it's with a balcony, the suites are, but you really don't have to worry about if you don't have a balcony because there's just so many balconies around the property that you will find one. Yeah.
Every corner is one. Amazing.
This place is like a maze. They have pretty much gardens all over the property and a lot of steps. Sketchy steps too.
We're training for the next hike.
Yeah, there's a hike. Okay, our room is ready. Welcome. Thank you. We got 2 beds, nice living room area. My favorite part, the view. I had to make sure that we got this room for this view. Actually, I forgot something. let me change into proper attire. Better. Well, as you can see, this is a beautiful balcony. And then we don't just have one balcony, we have two. If it gets too hot, this is the balcony to go to. Nice and shady. And you got two chairs, one for each of us. And last but not least, el baño. Pretty typical. We got a little window here. Sink, toilet, shower. Okay, we're going down to the area where you can swim. It's the area where you can kayak. Some nice hammocks. The water's pretty wavy.
I'm just still amazed about this place. Everything is unbelievable. Everything around the property is amazing. You just walk and everywhere you go there's a nice place to look at that look like a postal. So all that is just unbelievable. The food is really good. It's not a small property. They have 26 rooms. There's a lot of guests. Plus they also have daily pass guests. And they have between 70 to 100 each day. That's unbelievable. It's definitely the most popular hotel here in Lake Atitlán. There's two towns nearby. One is called Jabalito and the other one is called Santa Cruz. A lot of the people that work here in the hotel lives in those two towns, but they also have like co-op rooms. So they have a whole building at the top of the property. People that is not local but they work here in the hotel, they use that. Everything is amazing here. The views, the colors, the flowers, the trees, everything else is breathtaking. The amount of detail they put into all the little things, all the decoration, the colors, everything makes sense. Everything is meant to be in that place, and that's unbelievable to me. Such a big property. Very beautiful. Now we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the day and watch the sunset and just enjoy it.
Do I have anything in my teeth? Okay. Good morning.
Morning.
So we just got back from breakfast. It was very delicious. I had a bowl of oatmeal and you had two scrambled eggs.
2 scrambled eggs, yes.
But we got to watch the sunrise here and it was very beautiful. The way the sun was hitting on the buildings just made it perfection. Okay, so what are we gonna do next?
Well, today, since we already know everything about the property and we already walked around, so what we're gonna do is just chill by the water, have a sun bath, and take a swim. That's what we're gonna do.
Vamos a
La playa.
la playa. We just jumped off this rock here. The water's a bit chilly. It's a bit cold in there. We just came back from the water. It was refreshing, yes. AKA cold. We're breathing heavy because we just walked up a bunch of stairs, but it was really nice. And then next is lunch. So this is our first overall review of a hotel. We wanted to do this because a lot of people want to come here. It is pretty Instagram famous. It's kind of already out there. So we wanted to kind of do a honest review of everything and the categories we think are the most important in a hotel.
And the reason we're using this hotel is because it's the only nice hotel we have stayed so far since we started. What will be the first category we want to talk about?
Okay, the first category is going to be getting here.
You can only get here by boat, which is kind of annoying.
It was kind of, I would say, difficult if you didn't do the research to get here.
That wasn't easy, but we managed to do it. All right, let's move on. Next category.
Okay. Food. How was the food?
Pretty solid.
Yeah, the ingredients are locally sourced, so everything is fresh and made fresh in the kitchen, which is great. If you do like healthier foods, this is a place that you would really like to eat.
Yeah.
Okay, the views.
Amazing. 10 out of 10.
Yes, every corner you turn, there is a view, there is a balcony, there's a terrace that you can look out and enjoy the water and the volcano views. All right, next. The shower pressure. And this hotel specifically, it was good. I think the water pressure was good, and the hot water was super, super hot. It was the first shower that we've had actually hot water. So that was probably the shower situation was a 9 out of 10, I would say.
I agree.
Okay.
Move on.
Activities
All right.
in the hotel.
Well, there's a lot to do. But there's also nothing to do if you don't want to do anything. I mean, it's one of those places that if you just want to chill the whole day, you can definitely do that, and it's gonna be amazing.
There's a booklet that they provide, and they explain all of the activities that you can do on site. There's also that trail that we mentioned that goes to
Jaibalito and Santa
Santa
Cruz.
Cruz.
Those are the two towns nearby, and you can hike that. We did.
Yeah, I think 2 nights here is perfect time if you just want to stay at the hotel. If you want to explore the towns nearby, then you can do more nights. But I think if you're only staying at the hotel and enjoying the hotel, 2 nights is enough.
Yes.
Last but not least, pricing. What do you think about pricing? The pricing for this hotel room, the deluxe suite, was $150 a night, and this is the best room on the property. So that we have paid $70 a night in Panajachel. We paid $70 a night for a not so great room, and just let's say $70 more a night. We got this, and it's just insane how much of a difference it makes with that price. So we think it's very, very well priced, this hotel. So any questions you have about the hotel that we might have missed, please comment below. And if you like watching our videos, please subscribe. We really appreciate it. And we will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.